God, I believe you were sent from heaven to join my son for life. Remember, what God puts together, no man can divide. Kat and Mario, I bless your matrimony and I seal it with the blood of Jesus.
A true all-rounder, dedicated, intelligent, and passionate. Being a friend to Mario has been one of the greatest pleasures in my lifetime. My own mother refers to him as my older brother. This is my marvelous best friend, Mario Enrique, and I wish him and his beautiful wife, Catalina, a lovely lifetime of dealing with me as their adoptive son.
Throughout this entire week and for months now, newlyweds themselves did a lot of work. So I think that we all should give them a round of applause because it's a beautiful event, right?
My love, you are the greatest blessing from God. I can't wait to be husband and wife for this event. Thank you for being my Christmas mornings. Catalina.
Since I was a little girl, I always prayed for this day, the day my brother would marry the woman God had designed for him. And I can truly say that God outdid our expectations by giving my brother Kat. I remember the first thing I noticed is that she loved country music, and I automatically said, yes, he's finally found the one.
My love, please take in and enjoy every second leading up to our date. I love you endlessly and can't wait to see you on the aisle, my little wifey for lifey.
And so, it is my honor as a minister of the gospel of Jesus Christ and by the state of Tennessee to say that you are now husband and wife, and those that God joins, may nothing separate. And so Mario, you may kiss your bride.